Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use the Trae AI Unlimited IDE Coding Tool. First, go to the Trae AI website. Then, click on Login from the top right corner. Here, click on Sign Up and enter your email address. Then, enter the verification code sent to your email, set a password, and complete the sign up process. Now, click on Pricing to see the available plans. You'll find a free plan and a pro plan for $3. Next, click on Download Trae IDE for free. Then, choose a folder on your computer and click Save. After the file is downloaded, click the download icon in the top right of your browser and open the downloaded file. Now, click on Run. Accept the agreement and click Next. You can change the installation folder if you want, then click Next again. Choose any additional options offered, then click Next and finally click on Install. When prompted, allow access to public and private networks so the app can function properly. Once installed, open Trae IDE. You'll be asked to choose a theme. Options include dark, light, or deep blue. On the main screen, you'll see options like Open Folder, Open Files, Clone Git Repository, Connect Remote Host, and New File. Click on Open Folder and select a folder from your computer to get started. You can now check out other features like creating a new file, selecting a file type, or entering a file name to start coding. Then, choose the file or folder from your computer to begin using Trae AI IDE. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.